How's it going on, guys? How's it going on, guys? This will be my first recording. Trading live or analyzing live. I don't know if I'll be trading today. It's Monday, and I don't enjoy trading on Monday. Right, my name is Katleho, and this is Katleho Trading, and I'm an institutional trader based in South Africa. Trading ICT concepts. So yeah, let's get started. So basically, what I basically comment, what I do, I get on the daily. I'm trading Nasdaq 100. Um, that's the E, meaning Nasdaq futures 100 June 2022 contract. You can simply search, go to TradingView, tradingview.com, search for NAS 100, and you can choose any one of the feeds that they give you there. Just I like to choose one that is popularly known, like forex.com or Owanda, the more reliable ones. Yeah. So yeah, I'm on the daily chart. That means that every candle is worth 1 day's worth of trading. As you can see, there are no indicators. I don't come and trade with indicators, as they clutter up your view of the market. Right. So what I see here is that obviously we're in a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend for however many weeks since the beginning of April. There was a high made there in the middle of in April, and we came down. We took out all those lows down there. Went to create new lower lows and a higher low, and now we are going back down again to create a new lower low. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to keep on going down. But what I saw here, if I go down to the 4 hour, if I go to we go down to the 4 hour, there we go, the 4 hour feed, the 4 hour chart. What I noticed here is that I believe we got a breaker block, and ICT explains a breaker block as something as when you have here we go, a breaker block when you have a low that takes out a high this is in a sell setup when we're expecting sells. Okay, so we got a low right here, okay, that takes out a high, that will take out a high. There's a high taken, that high was taken out, sponsored by this low, so which means, and it goes out, it takes out that buy side liquidity, and then price continues to come down and break that low. That's where price broke that low. We can expect price now to come back up to this line, to the closing of this candle, to the closing of this candle, of this low made here, and go back down again before continuing back down again. So that's basic idea of what a breaker block is. It's much more intricate than that, but that's just a basic idea. Is that this low sponsored a break of sell side liquidity here. So this low sponsored a break of that buy side liquidity, and then went down to take out that low. Price went down to take out that low that sponsored that that sponsored that break of the high. That becomes a breaker block. We expect price to go exactly here at this line, and so I can put a limit order down over there and wait for price to get there and go down. So my on the 4 hour, I am a bit bullish, to be honest with you. I'm expecting price to, let's go back. Let's just get rid of all those annotations. Here we go. On the 4 hour, I am a bit bullish. I'm expecting price to, let's go to the 1 hour. I'm expecting price to go back up to that breaker block, if not at the very least. Ooh, let me get out of that. If not, at the very least, I'm expecting price to what's happening? There we go. If not, I'm expecting price to go back to the opening price of midnight. This is Monday, the 13th of June. So I'm expecting price to at least go back to this. There's the opening price. We have the opening price delineated over here. Opening midnight price. That's that blue line over here. That will be the opening price of New York at midnight. Simply to get that, just go to indicators, search for New York, type New York, and the first thing that will come up will be the New York midnight, New York midnight indicator. Probably the only indicator that I use. select that, and it will set your indicator to, it'll set a vertical line every time there's a New York midnight, whenever you're any time frame that's lower than an hour and lower, it show you where New York midnight is delineated. So we got that delineated. So what ICT has taught us is that whenever you're expecting bearish price movements for the day, you can expect that price will go up to the New York midnight opening price, which would be the premium price, and before crashing down again for the daily range. So because we are bearish on the daily, we're expecting price to go up towards the New York midnight price line at 11,625, and hanging out. Maybe it might tap in there or hang around there for a little bit of consolidation, and before crashing back down again, or at the very least, that price will come back up to this order block. Let's go to 15 minutes chart. Come back to this order block created over here in the 15-minute time frame. What is an order block? An order block is the last series of up close candles before a down movement that breaks structure. Before a down movement that breaks structure, not just any last up candle before it goes down. No, but the last series of up candles before a down movement that actually breaks structure. There's a break of structure over here. There's a series of up candles over here. Let me mark that out for you so you can see it. There's a series of up candles over here. Those green candles are up close candles. There's a series of them. Then there's a break of structure. There's a swing low that's broken over there. So that makes this our order block. So if price is going to be bearish, we're going to expect for these up close candles to uphold price. If they get broken, then we are now in a bullish trend. So but what I am expecting for price to at least come into this area. So once it comes into this area, I'm going to go to my 1 minute time frame and look for a break of structure to the downside. I'm going to look for the same thing that we just saw here, a break of structure, break of a swing low to the downside within this area, within this 1 minute area. Sweet Lord, have me. There we go. Go back to my cross tool. Get out of auto. So here we go. There's that area we have delineated where the order block is. We're waiting for Trading View to catch up with this. There's an order block we delineated, and then so I'm waiting for price to get back in there and show me a change of character or a change of direction by breaking price to the downside. It's at that point that I can expect for sales to go down, and I'm expecting that will probably be happening within the hour. Right now it is 9:15 New York time. That's 9:12 New York time. In South Africa it is 12 minutes past 3. So what you got to do, go to your time zone and click New York minus UTC -4, and click on New York if you're in Africa or you're in CAT +2 time zone like we are here, and just set your trading view to New York time. Avoid confusion. I learned from ICT, so I set everything to what he has. I want to see what he sees. I want to do what he does. I'm not trying to be better than him. I just want to be as good as the master. There we go. So that's what I'm expecting, and we'll see if it happens. If it doesn't happen, so we're expecting price to go up a bit, to be a bit bullish, go over this order block, probably take out that order block, all that sell side liquidity that's lying, or that buy side liquidity, that's lying in here. There are stop orders. What is buy side liquidity? Those are orders, stops, sell stops. People who have taken this low have all put their sell stops above here. So I'm expecting price to go up and take out those sales stops, and that would put us just above the New York midnight price line, and that means we're in a premium market. Now we can get ready to go take sales. Until that happens, I ain't taking no sell, I'm not taking no buys. I'm waiting for that. All right, cheers. Hope that helps somebody. Let me know, DM. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this trade idea or whatever. Or don't. Do you. It's all good. Thank you.